14, 2 to bid. Now with the 9 to the negative, 11 to the 9 to the 9 to the 4. Now
Love saving money and finding treasures? Check out BronsteinAuction.com for our weekly live virtual auctions every Friday night. Find Orlando's best kept secret at BronsteinAuction.com. Save, find treasure, and have fun.
Look at this, guys. We got a Kenneth Cole purse right there. Beautiful piece, luggage, you name it, we've got it. This is for our live virtual auction, Friday, the 17th of January, 2025. Can you believe it's there already? We're already almost through the first month of 2025. So how you guys doing? You ready for a big and beautiful auction this week? I'm ready. You ready? Let's have an auction. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the preview, guys. We have got a lot of really cool items for this auction. It's cold outside. Come inside, warm up for preview Thursday night from 4 to 8 p.m. and Friday from 12 to 4 p.m. 5 p.m. we go live virtual right here. Bronstein Auction Company, guys. We have got a bunch of really cool items, so be ready to rock and roll. Goes pretty much in the order that I'm doing this video in, so you'll know when the items come up. The red number on the item is the item number. We do go in order. The vehicle, the 2010 Ford F-250 will run right after lot 100. So we have all kinds of cool stuff, and that's not a Hot Wheels one. That's the real McCoy, the real truck. Nice work truck. Brand new pry bars, Disney hats galore, this really cool table, bike rack, really nice stuff right here. This is jazz singer and all kinds of cool stuff behind the filmmaking. Look here, we have tons and tons, and I mean tons of action figures. Beautiful tall boy dresser, steamer, perseverance picture, determination. Wow, those are really nice, actually. Coming on down here, poly mailers, all kinds of stuff. We have everything you could think of, guys. Just about everything and anything. Watches, you name it. Whether you're looking for a gift for a loved one, you're looking for a nice piece for your house, inventory for your store, your boots, inventory for eBay, whatever it is, we have it right here at Bronstein Auction Company. Each and every week we sell 400 to 500 items at public live auction. And here we have the 2010 Ford F-250 Super Duty sitting here running, guys. The air blows cold. Old work truck, got about 182,000 miles on it. This will run about item 100 on the auction. Come check it out, start it out, see what you think. Nice little work truck right here. 2010 F-250, ready to go to work for you. You go to the outdoor section. We have chairs galore of all kinds, all sizes, shapes. The gravity-free, whatever you call them, chairs. Cool stuff, guys. Check it out right here. Maui Gems. We have shielded nickels, Liberty nickels, bar notes, $2 bills, you name it. We are jam up, loaded ancient Roman coin, Dooney and Bark, sterling tennis bracelet, really nice piece. Bring it on up here. Palm tree that you never have to water. Sunglass lot, a whole basket full of sunglasses. We have Hot Wheels galore, brand new in the pack. Great china pieces, everything you can imagine. Brand new watch sets make great gifts. Good cool toys for the kids. Ring sets, choice on your coins. This really nice Charbroil grill right here, awesome. Queen mattress, a blow up mattress. Ninja, really nice Ninja setup right there. Light tracer. Wow, check it out, guys. It is going to be a great auction. When is the auction? Friday night, the 17th of January. Yes, just a couple days away when we're shooting this video. And depending on when you're watching it, it might be a whole lot closer. All right, so be ready to rock and roll. 5 p.m. We go live virtual and bid on it, buy it, come pick it up on Saturday. And it's just that easy. Yes, whatever you want, we have it. Whether it's a sterling bracelet, whether it's Whitey Ford signed with a COA, tables, outdoor chairs. I mean, hey, we even have boxes galore, boxes and tins and all kinds of cool stuff, and radios and hair dryers. Wow, that's a unique lot right there. Sunglasses, once again, sunglasses for life. The way I go through sunglasses, those might not last me a lifetime. Lots full right here. This is great for the dealers. Guys, if you have booths or you have a little store or shop or garage sales, absolutely exquisite buffet. Another beautiful piece of furniture right here. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Wow, we really do have some absolutely phenomenal furnishings. Look, you get a pair of balls. And dresser and nightstand with the topper, brand new socks, Disney pictures, jewelry galore. Check it out, guys. Just about anything. We even have golf shoes. Look at this beauty right here. Yes, it's not the real thing, so nobody panic on any of the social media. Bring you on over here. Nice queen bed set. Queen clean bed set. All right, bring you on down over here. Look at this. We have sterling. We have all the plate and picture holders you could ever desire. Kitchen lot. Really nice kitchen lot right here. Toasters and blenders and cookware. Beautiful dining set. Wow, is that gorgeous or what? We have clothing. We have kitchen plates and so forth. And yes, amazing stuff, y'all. I'm ready to go. Table and 8 set. That is a really nice set. More sunglasses, some more coins ready to go for you. The amazing clothing right here. Bringing on down, we have coins and sterling rings and all kinds of collector's pieces. Jewelry, whole trays of jewelry, false graph. Really nice set right there. Beautiful. The queen bed. I think I got a little out of sync here. Yes, back in order. We have chairs. We have sunglasses galore. More Disney hats. Depression glass. Another beautiful sterling ring. Check that out. We have some beautiful beach chairs. Bring you on up. Sunglasses. Nice pit set, corner set, sofa set right here. Brand new igloo cooler. 9 times on the Disney picks. Lots of cool stuff, guys. Check it on out. Bring it on over here. We have a Christmas lot. Whole lot of Christmas. Yep, look at that. And okay, she just cookie jar. I didn't know if she was stacking dolls or what. Jewelry, tray of foreign money, choice on the race cars. Oh, beautiful decor. Nice table set, really antique table set. Bringing on up top here, we have all the office stuff ready to go for you guys. Yes, we do. Office stuff, notebooks, kids stuff, fusion, glue, pens, you name it, we have it. Aprons, yep, brand new aprons. We have a collector lot right here. All the collector. Vacuum cleaners, fans, ladders, whatever you need, whatever the project, whatever the desire, whatever the fun, whatever the gift. Good chance we have it right here at Bronstein Auction Company. Never spend retail, guys. Save money, have fun, enjoy yourselves, find treasures at Bronstein Auction Company. Look at all this Movado display stuff, really cool. And bring it on over, more kitchen lots and all kinds of lamps. Beautiful glass table with some absolutely phenomenal chairs. Jewelry galore, batteries galore. Wow, check it out. Look at all that. Check out the cool furniture and the plants, etc. in the back there. And we're going to bring you on up over here. We have helmets. A lot of 3 large helmets. Those for big heads. Choice on the signed cards. We have 12.5 on the sneakers. That's pretty darn big. Cards and books and DVDs and rocks and birds and things. More choice signed cars. Choice on the wheat penny sets and all kinds of neat stuff down there. It's gonna be a great sale, guys, so be here, be ready to go for Friday, January 17th. Yes, already January 17th, 2025, 5 p.m. we go live virtual. When is preview? You can come in person and preview it. And Thursday from 4 to 8 p.m. Friday from noon till 4 p.m. Yep, come in, check it out, measure it, plug it in, test it, start it up. If it's a matter of the truck, don't forget the truck's going to run around number 100. It's a 2010 F-250. Bring you on down here. We have glass and signed cars. Yeah, you name it. So we're selling the F-250 as well, right around lot 100. So if you're on that, make sure you're on at that point. And yeah, we're going to sell everything in this place. We're going to clean it out, we're going to empty it out, and we're going to do it all over again next week, because that's what we do. We liquidate estates. We liquidate businesses. We do it all, guys, right here, Bronstein Auction Company. Look at the Star Wars beds. Are these not the coolest for the kids? I'll tell you what, I know some kids that would like those. All right, look here. I know when I was a kid, I'd like those. All right, bringing you on over here, we got the home goods lot. We have this really cool outdoor table. I think it's outdoor. It could be indoor. Looks like teak, guys. Really nice piece. Bringing you on over here, some really cool pictures. Yep, they're masks, etc. The cool little stuff. This beautiful king bed set. Wow, this thing is absolutely exquisitely stunning. We're going to bring you on over here. We have a toolbox. Toolbox 70 by 22 by 15. Yeah, nice toolbox. We have an engine stand. We have a grill, a push bar, Weston push bar. This really cool cobalt workbench. Cool. Spike Tactical. All right, bring it on up here. Look at this exquisite king bed set. Wow. You got the turned legs, turned canopy, really nice mattress. Got one little stain on it, no big deal. Batteries, jewelry, 7.5 foot tall that sucker is. I said sucker, y'all. All right, here we go. Tray full of jewelry. Police airplane. How cool is that? Table. Look at this beautiful round, big, huge, monstrous size table set right here. And check out all the cool stuff on top. Wow. Okay, right, she does have a shirt on. Didn't look like it at first. All right, we're gonna bring you on up over here. Got some classic Christmas ornaments. Got some skates. You name it, we've got it right here. Coins are coming up in just a minute, guys. R2D2, signed cars, and looky here, carts, dollies. Okay, you're gonna have choice on them. That one's got good wheels, that one's got flat wheels, but you got extra wheels to go along with it. So ready to go. Owlot, Burlwood, Robot, iRobot. Oh, look here, cool. I Love Lucy watch, cloisonne, a sealed set of AirPods, coolness. Choice of the star notes. I'm going backwards on these coins. These are going to run in order just after the items. So 115C runs after 115, 120C runs after 120. So you get the drill there, guys. I'm going kind of backwards on them just because of the way I'm walking. Morgan Silver, 59 Franklin, 2021 Perth Wedgetail 999. Look how thick that sucker is. With the box, 2004 colorized. Walking Liberties, Ike's Silver Certificate, Franklin's, Ike's, Ancient Coins, 40% silver. We got some more Ike's, Susan B's, you name it, we've got it. Even the 1905 Barber Dime. All right, bring it on over here. We got a Power Stroke pressure washer. We have TVs plugged in, ready to go for you. Yeah, come and check them out, guys. Backboard Kings. Yeah, it's going to be a good one right here, Bronstein Auction Company. When is the auction? Friday, the 17th of January. What do we have? All the cool stuff you've seen so far, and we also have the 2010 Ford F-250 Pick-A-Bump. A really decent little work truck, guys. So put you to work. Come on out and check this stuff out in person Thursday evening from 4 to 8 p.m. Ooh, I got a cool piece coming up. And from noon to 4 on Friday. What's around the corner? Check it out, guys. The real thing, the air hockey, the real deal, the big Mongo air hockey. Check it out here. We have choice on the albums. Yeah, check that out. Wow, bins and bins of albums and cool stuff like that. Bring you on up here, shears, you name it. Gojo Cleaner, the Power Pack, Power 400 watt Power Pack, the cones, s'mores makers. Yep, this weather makes me want s'mores, and I don't really like sugar that much. All right, bring you on over here. We have 45s. We have the pair of wood outdoor patio chairs, masks, nice little stereo systems, decor, Magic Bullet, Greenworks pressure washer, really cool piece right there. Yep, look at that. Give it a go. Let's sell them. We have the cookie jars. We have the soft stuff. We have all kinds of neat stuff. I'm going to walk you down around the block over here. We have a guitar with the case. Yep, we have a little guitar in case. Oh, isn't he cute? Check him out. All right, look here. Coins galore. Coach purses. Printer. Yeah. Cabinets. Anchor. Mirror. Miraculous. All right, check it out. Yep, we got the bronze, brass, what do you call it? Copper, maybe? Rings. Yeah, stencils. Guys, it's going to be great. Plastic wrap. Bring you on down over here. And over here. 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 And here. And finishing it off with a weighted blanket, y'all. So here we go for the 17th of January, guys. This whole room, everything in here will be auctioned off, live virtual, ready to go. Check out our website at bronsteinauction.com. And give us a call at 407-917-7355 or 689-2275-757. Have a great evening. Review of our shop next door we call Market Me. We have some really amazing pieces here. Look at this gorgeous dumbbell set. And bring you on over here. We have all kinds of exercise equipment, guys. Everything you can imagine. I'm going to give you a quick walk through the shop here. This part you can shop anytime during the week, Monday through Saturday. And come check it out, guys. We have some great pieces. Bring you on over here. Walk you on down the line here. We have office chairs. We have decor. You name it, we have it. Right here, Bronstein Auctions, Market Me. Dressers, keyboards, brand new keyboards. We have guitars up front. I'll show you in just a minute. Love seats, chairs, stained glass lamps. Wow, we have got it all, guys. Bring it on over. We have the really nice piece here. Gorgeous piece, room divider. And over here and then scooting on around, we have guitars, etc.